I don't get anything in Lebanese.
I don't understand the spelling rules.
At my age, I don't even know how to write in Lebanese.
Why are there so few videos?
Oh, don't worry, I have a solution. Watch Learn Lebanese in 2 minutes.
The first expression we are going to learn today is good evening. Masa al-khair. Masa means evening. Khair means good. Masa al-khair. Good evening. The second expression is what would you like to eat? شو بدك تاكل? شو means what. شو بدك means what would you like. شو بدك تاكل is what would you like to eat. The answer to that question is I would like to eat fish. بدي آكل سمك. بدي means I would like. بدي آكل I would like to eat. بدي آكل سمك I would like to eat fish. The third expression is what would you like with the fish? شو بدك مع السمك? شو بدك means what would you like. مع means with. شو بدك مع السمك? What would you like with fish? The answer to that question is I would like some bread. بدي خبز. بدي means I would like. خبز is bread. The last expression for today is what would you like to drink? شو بدك تشرب? شو بدك means what would you like. شو بدك تشرب? What would you like to drink? The answer to that question is I would like to drink water. بدي اشرب مي. بدي means I would like. بدي اشرب I would like to drink. بدي اشرب مي I would like to drink water.